Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the focus is on the Pop Kustom Tenor Saxophone Mouthpiece, specifically the size 7 model in black. This mouthpiece is crafted from fiber resin and features a 0.092-inch tip opening. The name itself, Pop Kustom, gives a strong hint about its intended purpose and sound profile. It's designed for players looking to achieve a contemporary sound, one that cuts through a mix and has plenty of projection and edge, ideal for genres like pop, rock, funk, and R&B. The fiber resin material used in its construction is a popular choice for mouthpieces aiming for a balance of tonal characteristics. It often provides a certain warmth compared to purely metal mouthpieces, while still allowing for significant brightness and power. It's also known for its durability and consistency in manufacturing. The black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that complements its contemporary sound concept. Moving to the tip opening, the 0.092-inch size 7 is a versatile choice for a tenor saxophone. It's considered a moderately open tip. This opening allows for a good amount of airflow, which is crucial for generating volume and projection needed in amplified settings or larger ensembles. It provides enough resistance to allow for control over dynamics and intonation, while still being open enough to facilitate bending notes and achieving a vibrant, expressive tone. Players transitioning from smaller tip openings will find it manageable, and those used to wider tips might appreciate the added focus and control it can offer. The design of the baffle and chamber, though not explicitly detailed in the provided info, is clearly geared towards that pop sound. One can infer it likely features a relatively high baffle to contribute to the brightness and ease of altissimo, combined with a chamber designed to balance that edge with sufficient body and depth in the lower register. The combination of the fiber resin material, the specific baffle chamber design, implied by the name, and the 0.092 tip opening creates an instrument accessory capable of producing a powerful, focused, and bright sound with plenty of character. It's a mouthpiece aimed squarely at the modern saxophonist who needs their sound to stand out and deliver impact in contemporary musical contexts. Its construction and design suggest it's built to be a reliable tool for achieving that specific tonal goal.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.